Ever felt like your brain is full, but you're still empty-handed? You're not alone. In today's world, information is exploding, but we're drowning in it. How do we sift through the noise, find the gems, and actually do something with all this knowledge? That's where Gemini comes in. Gemini isn't just another AI, it's your superpowered sidekick, ready to tackle anything from writing that overdue report to planning your next vacation. But with so much potential, it can feel overwhelming. So, let's dive deep and unlock the true power of Gemini. 1. Gemini as your creative catalyst. Tired of staring at a blank page? Gemini can be your muse. Whether you're a novelist struggling with writer's block, a songwriter searching for the perfect melody, or a marketer brainstorming captivating ad copy, Gemini can help. Give it a prompt like, write a short story about a robot who falls in love with a human, and watch as Gemini crafts a unique narrative, complete with intriguing characters and unexpected twists. Stuck on a marketing campaign? Ask Gemini to generate a list of catchy slogans, write compelling social media posts, or even draft email sequences that convert. Need inspiration for your next artistic project? Gemini can generate different artistic styles, suggest color palettes, and even help you compose music. Gemini isn't just a tool, it's a collaborator. It can help you refine your own ideas, explore new directions, and push your creative boundaries further than you ever thought possible. 2. Gemini as your productivity powerhouse. Drowning in a sea of emails? Gemini can help you summarize them, prioritize your inbox, and even schedule meetings. Simply forward an email to Gemini, and it can quickly extract key information, identify action items, and even draft a concise response. Need to research a complex topic? Gemini can quickly scan through countless articles, identify key findings, and summarize them in a concise report. Planning a trip? Gemini can help you research destinations, compare flights and hotels, and even create a personalized itinerary. By automating mundane tasks and streamlining your workflow, Gemini frees up your time and mental energy for more important things, like actually enjoying your work and life. 3. Gemini as your personal learning assistant. Want to learn a new language? Gemini can provide personalized lessons, translate text, and even hold conversations with you in your target language. Curious about a specific topic? Gemini can provide you with concise summaries, answer your questions, and even recommend relevant articles and videos. Preparing for an exam? Gemini can help you create flashcards, generate practice questions, and explain complex concepts in a simple and understandable way. Gemini is an ever-present source of knowledge and a constant companion on your learning journey, making lifelong learning more accessible and enjoyable. 4. Gemini as your data analyst. Sifting through mountains of data can be a daunting task. But with Gemini, you can quickly analyze trends, identify patterns, and extract valuable insights from your data. Upload your data to Gemini, and it can generate charts and graphs, identify key metrics, and even make predictions based on historical trends. Need to understand customer behavior? Gemini can analyze customer reviews, identify common pain points, and help you improve your products and services. Want to optimize your marketing campaigns? Gemini can analyze campaign performance, identify areas for improvement, and help you achieve better results. With Gemini, you can turn raw data into actionable insights and make data-driven decisions that drive real business growth. 5. Gemini as your accessibility champion. Gemini can help people with disabilities in a variety of ways. For those with visual impairments, Gemini can read text aloud, describe images, and even provide real-time translations. For those with mobility limitations, Gemini can control smart home devices, schedule appointments, and even make phone calls. For those with cognitive disabilities, Gemini can provide personalized learning experiences, simplify complex information, and even offer emotional support. Gemini has the potential to revolutionize accessibility and empower people with disabilities to live more independent and fulfilling lives. 6. The ethical considerations. While Gemini offers incredible potential, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically. Be mindful of potential biases in the data used to train Gemini and strive to use it in a fair and equitable manner. Be aware of the potential for misuse, such as generating misleading information or creating deepfakes. Always use Gemini responsibly and ethically, and be mindful of the potential impact of your actions. 7. The future of Gemini. Gemini is still under development, and its capabilities are constantly evolving. We can expect to see even more innovative and powerful applications of Gemini in the years to come, from personalized medicine to climate change mitigation. The future of Gemini is bright, and its potential to transform our world is limitless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.